Hey everybody, it's Neil and I want to show you what I have here. This is a pergola kind of bracket kit. So it comes with all the brackets you need to build yourself this pergola. This is what the pergola can do. And these are the brackets right here. So I'll just take one out and show you. These are some solid heavy metal ones. These are got some good weight to it. And so you can fit your 4x4 post in there. You can mount it down to the ground and that will hold it on these. So that's the ground ones. Let's see what other pieces and parts we have here. We have, wow, whatever this one is here. Oh, this is going to be an angle one. So then as you get the top going up there, you can have this one going this way and that way, obviously. So we have those. We have enough to build this whole pergola here. Let me just put that in there. I think that's what the two different pieces yet are. Oh, and then you have this type here, and that type there. So you have three different size types. And these are some heavy duty brackets, and they're going to be nice and strong. And it comes with all the different bolts. It comes with screws if you were screwing it down to a wood deck. Comes with even the socket screw. Comes with the anchor bolts if you're going to be doing it into concrete. And it comes with some hanging hooks as well, so you can hang your random curtains or whatever on there as well. So pretty cool. All you're going to need is a power drill, screwdriver, measuring tape, pencil and level and stuff to get it all going. But it's a really nice looking kit. Here we go. Here's all the screws and stuff right there, and the carabiner little clips. So those are the ones there. These are self-tapping ones if you're doing it into the metal. And then those are the concrete anchor bolts. So pretty much everything you need, all in a nice kit. So, and soon, if you look at my videos, you might see a pergola in the backyard because that'll do. Thumbs up.